Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we could see a very good momentum towards the downside. Nifty gave a down move of close to 275 points on a close to close basis, that is around 1.07%. Bank Nifty also fell by close to 1.39%. One of the biggest contributor for today's market fall was HDFC Bank. I think it fell around 2% today. ICICI Bank was flat. Reliance Industry also, it was just consolidating within a range. There was no big downward movement in Reliance Industry. One of the main reason for this is oil price had increased. Brent crude was slightly positive, crude oil also was slightly positive. When oil price is more, it will support Reliance Industry. In today's case, at least it supported Reliance Industry for not making a bigger fall. If Reliance Industry had fallen, market would have fell even more. But this would have affected stocks like Asian Paints because their main raw material for paint is crude oil. So apart from this, Britannia stock, it fell. Tata Motors, we could see a fall. Not just Tata Motors, the auto sector saw a complete decline with stocks like Maruti Suzuki, Ashok Leyland, all these were affected. But if you see dollar, it is still holding strong. When dollar is strong, what would happen is companies which earn in dollars, for example, tech companies, Infosys, Sun Pharma also earns in dollars. Majority of their business is exporting medicine abroad. HCL, all these stocks were at least trying to hold the market. So to a certain extent, we can say IT sector was kind of neutral, but banking sector saw a decent fall towards the downside. Despite stock market downtrend, Bitcoin saw a significant rise around 6.6%. You can see it went up to 90,000 also. As of now, dollar is strong. Crypto market is strong. IT index is kind of doing fine. Mid cap and small cap index both saw a fall of close to 1% to 1.25% respectively. One of the main reason for this, people say, is global market sell-off. FII is continuously selling. Dollar index, there is a rise. So this will be having a pressure in Indian market. Foreign outflow has been significant factor in our market in regards to the recent performance. Apart from this, various economic indicators, including inflation, interest rate, will continue to influence the market sentiment. Now, this was the news update for today. But what was the trading update for today? Before the market opened around 9:10, I said this is selling pressure zone, this is buying pressure zone. As long as market is trading within this range, it might trap retail traders, and I had discussed about important support and resistance. Now this was an important zone where we could see selling pressure in both the index. Later, if we had got this kind of setup, we would have focused on call option trade, but continuously the market was falling. We could identify call option, put option writers were sitting at 52,000, 24,200 respectively. Later we identified that continuously this level is acting as support. Market can attempt to move towards the upside. Here I clearly said, looking at the market fall from morning, don't get tempted to enter a put option trade. Something fishy is going on. Whoever entered put option trade at the upper level, please ensure your risk is managed. Taking trendline support close to 10 a.m. PE traders, be very careful. I've given the warning 1 minute before the market move. Right from here, continuously both the index started to move towards the upside to hunt the stop loss. Nifty had come to the resistance. Bank Nifty had given a breakout, but as per stop loss hunting, trend reversal is possible. That is why no call trade as per stop loss hunting. I've said this. This is the concept related to stop loss hunting. Later point of time, my expectation was market will make a momentum like this, but confidence was bit low. So just small quantities I thought of taking a trade. The market reversed. There was continuous correction. Bank Nifty reached the support. During this time, I said this is going to be the demand zone from where we can expect pressure in the market. So this was the zone. Market reversed up to close to 0.5%, later corrected. During this time, I was live on YouTube. I was sharing my view. Nifty was just holding. Later point of day when market was within this range, my live stream I had closed. So quickly after the live stream, in our free Telegram channel itself, first I had said avoid random put option trade because market is near the support. At double bottom, many buyers would enter. Their stop loss is at the bottom, so market can trap them. After this update, selling pressure started in the market. Clearly, I said don't focus on reversal, focus on downtrend continuation. Don't think about buying at the support. As per this view, continuously the market moved towards the downside near the support. Avoiding call option trade would be better. Again, the downtrend continued. So these were the updates which I shared first in the private Telegram group, then in the live market condition, also in the free Telegram channel. If you made use of the content, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also in the comment section, let us know how your trade went. It would be very interesting for us to read. Now quickly, let's discuss about what kind of trading plan we have for tomorrow. Traders, on the left side we have Nifty chart, right side we have Bank Nifty chart. Both is on a 15 minutes time frame. Now on a Bank Nifty chart, you can see I marked a level here 51,400. Previously, this area was acting as resistance. Once this level is broken, it acted as support. Now again, when market breaks this level, what happens? This becomes the resistance. One more important range is this zone, which is very close to 51,000. Continuously, this area is acting as a supporting zone for Bank Nifty from where it is bouncing. So I marked this zone as well. Now what is the purpose of marking these levels? Tomorrow, let's say market opened within this range. We can expect some kind of volatility in the market. Participating for any call option or put option trade within this range is not a good idea. But in case the market opens with slight gap up above this level, we'll wait for some time. If the market consolidates within this range, gives a breakout with small stop loss, we'll be looking for call option. Many call option writers will be sitting at 51,500 zone. If market is just consolidating within the zone, it is creating liquidity. From here, a small movement of close to 200 to 250 points is expected. So with that view, at this upper level, we'll be looking for call option trade. But what if Bank Nifty opens with a gap down? After this continuous movement going below 51,000, many people will be interested in entering a put option. After attracting some put option buyers, market can go for a retest, later correct. So during this retest, if your stop loss is small, then definitely there is a high chance it can be hunted. So wait for a retest. Later, if market corrects, then with small stop loss, we can focus on put option trade for trend continuation. So after gap down, wait for a retest and then the day's low to break. Then we can focus on Bank Nifty's put option trade. Now in Nifty's case, you can see I have marked this level because continuously it has acted as supporting area in the past. Once this is broken, this is acting as a resistance zone. I've not marked 24,000 because during this correction, buyers would have already been trapped. So at this zone, if many people think about selling, first the market will trap put option traders, move towards the upside, attract buyers. Once liquidity is created, later it can correct. So please mark this level. This can become a very crucial area, 24,080 level in tomorrow's market trade. In Nifty's case also, let's say if it is just opening within this range, you're not interested to take any trade, better that you can avoid at the upper levels. You can be looking for put option trade only if it goes above 24,100, retest, continues the trend, then we will be focusing on call option trade to target these levels. Until then, do not focus on call option trade at the zone because continuously market is forming lower highs and lower low. An important level is there. After attracting buyers at this zone also, market can continue the downtrend. Now what if market opens with gap down? The same case what I said in Bank Nifty. Wait for a pullback. After pullback, if the downtrend is continuing, then we'll focus on put. First, market has to remove the confidence of put option buyers. It has to attract call option buyers here. Later it can correct. So patiently wait for a setup. Once it is available, we can look into it. It's very important that you mark these support zones and this trend line. This will be very useful for you for tomorrow's trade. Further details will be shared in the free Telegram channel during the pre-market report tomorrow morning. You can scan the QR code to join. The link is there in the description box below. If you enjoyed this content, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.